Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to play music on Twitch without getting copyrighted in your Twitch bots by separating your audio sources in OBS Studio. If you want your live viewers to hear your music while keeping it out of your Twitch recordings, I will show you exactly how to set it up. If you are playing copyrighted music while streaming on Twitch, your live viewers can usually hear it without any issues. However, Twitch may mute parts of your bot later because of copyrighted music. The good news is that OBS Studio lets you separate your audio sources so your music plays live on your stream but isn't saved in your Twitch bot. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you are using the latest version of OBS Studio. Now open OBS Studio. Click File. Then select Settings. Open the Audio tab. Under the Global Audio Devices section, set Desktop Audio to Disabled. Do the same for Desktop Audio too if it's enabled. This is important because desktop audio captures every sound from your computer into a single audio source. Disabling it lets you control each application's audio separately. Now make sure your microphone is selected under Mic Audio. Click Apply, then click OK. Next, open Settings again. Go to the Output tab. If your output mode is set to Simple, change it to Advanced. Open the Streaming tab. Enable Twitch bot track. Choose track 6. You can use another track if you prefer, but track 6 is commonly used because it's easy to manage. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now it's time to add your individual audio sources. Under the Sources panel, click the plus button. Choose Application Audio Capture. Create a new source. Give it a name. Click OK. From the application list, select the program you want to capture. For example, if you play music through Spotify, select Spotify. Click OK. Repeat the same steps for your game or YouTube music if needed. You can also add Discord, your web browser, or any other application you want OBS to control separately. Once you have added your applications, you will see each one appear individually in the audio mixer. Now we need to choose which audio is saved in your Twitch bot. In the audio mixer, right click anywhere. Select Advanced Audio Properties. You will see all of your audio sources along with several audio tracks. Remember, track 6 is your Twitch bot track. Leave track 6 checked for your microphone, your game, Discord, and any audio you want included in your Twitch bot. For your music source such as Spotify or YouTube Music, simply uncheck track 6. That's all you need to do. Now your music will still play during your live stream, but it won't be included in your Twitch bot. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to play music on Twitch without getting copyrighted in your Twitch bots by separating your audio sources in OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.